Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to switch between multiple Evernote accounts. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile name displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a menu with several options. From the menu that appears, look for and select Add Accounts. This feature is what allows you to link multiple Evernote accounts to the same app, making it incredibly convenient to switch between different workspaces without having to log in and out repeatedly. Next, you'll be presented with several sign-in options. You can choose to continue with Google, continue with Apple, or even create a new account from scratch. Each option works seamlessly with Evernote, so pick whichever method you prefer based on what accounts you already have set up. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Continue with Google option as an example. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts that are currently signed in on your device. Click on the Google account you want to add to Evernote. The app will then request permission to access your account information, so make sure you allow this to proceed with the setup. Once the account has been successfully added, you'll see a prompt at the top of the screen that says Open Evernote. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you back into the Evernote app interface, and your newly added account will now be linked and ready to use. Now here's where the real convenience comes in. To switch between your multiple accounts, simply go back to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile name again. This time you'll notice that all your linked accounts are now listed in the menu. You can quickly switch between them by clicking on whichever account you want to use at that moment. And that's it. You've successfully set up and can now easily switch between multiple Evernote accounts, allowing you to manage different workspaces or personal and professional notes without any hassle. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.